This is day 14 of coding every day until I hit 1K subs. Today I took a big step and uploaded my first Fiverr gig. It's based on my AI text-to-speech code, which I'm pretty excited about. On a related note, I finally got my custom video editor working, which is perfect timing because I've been wanting to start a new YouTube channel. It's called Everyday Freelancer, and I'll be posting daily updates there, kind of like a journal for my Fiverr journey. My goal is to release a new Fiverr gig every single day, so it's going to be a busy time. I'll definitely be keeping you all updated on my Everyday Freelancer channel. I'm still figuring out how much of the Fiverr stuff I'll share here, so make sure you subscribe to that channel to follow the whole journey. And now, on to Leetcoode. Okay, spoiler alert. First up, I tackled minimum operations to make binary array elements equal to 1. Basically, you're given an array of zeros and ones, and you can flip any 3 consecutive elements. The goal is to find the minimum number of flips to make all elements equal to 1, or return -1 if it's impossible. Here's my solution. I iterate through the array up to the third to last element. If I find a 0, I flip it, and the next 2 elements, incrementing the count. Finally, I check if the last 2 elements are 0. If either of them is, it's impossible to make all elements 1, so I return -1. Otherwise, I return the count. This solution has a time complexity of big O of n, because, in the worst-case scenario, we iterate through the entire array once. Next, I did count integers with even-digit sum. This one's pretty straightforward. Given a number, you need to count how many positive integers less than or equal to that number have an even-digit sum. Here's how I solved it. It is mainly just math. First, I calculate the digit sum of the input number. Then, I subtract the remainder of the digit sum divided by 2 from the original number and denary. Finally, I integer divide the total by 2. This is a constant time solution, so big O of 1. That's all for today's coding adventures. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and comment below with any ideas you have for the series. You can also help me continue making videos by donating at buymeaboba.com, link in the description.